Welcome back to my channel. Please watch this video till the end. In the morning, this girl likes to eat in my room. I don't know why. She's all dressed now. She's looking cute today. I love her when she's in trousers. So she's going to put on her jumper once she's done eating, right? And your shoes, obviously. Go and eat. Go and eat. Hey, I cry up a camera, see me. So Alisha has been chosen to be a part of the Hay Stars, and apparently Hay Stars are supposed to put on anything white, right? As you can see from the note. So this is her planner, a page in her planner. What I say? And the white tights that she's got is old, so I decided to go get her these, but I couldn't. And yesterday, those of you who watched my Vlogmas Day 9 video, yesterday after the swimming class, we got home, she had her yam and potatoes, the ampesi, okay? And we got to the bedroom only for her to say, "Mommy, where is one of my tooth?" Because she's already lost a tooth, right? And another one, which was close to the lost one, was wobbly. And she lost it. I'm certain she lost that tooth in the swimming pool. And in the evening, when she told me, I told her, "Oh, then that must be your gift over there," which consists of these tights, right? The 3-in-1. You're saying that's £6.50. It's 3. Enti. Catching yes or betcha me. Into what I drink in iron say Tooth Fairy brought it, right? And so me bottom because I guess I'll be me extra sika, which I'm not willing to. So we're getting ready. We're almost done, right? I'm giving the white one to her to be paired with what's it called? Her white dress. Because she's part of the Hay Stars, right? And she's Tooth Fairy. Hip hip hip, hooray! Tooth Fairy has brought a white tight, well, together with a pink and a blue one. To pretty Alisha. Yay! Let me show you her dance. He really moves. Okay, we are doing Alisha's homework, okay? Before we leave, well, we've done it. And then I said big questions. Listen to how Alisha pronounces it.
Big questions.
Questions. So now she's telling me, say, I don't have to say questions. It's big
questions.
That is the difference. Oyibo child and a Ghanaian child. Well, I guess, how do you pronounce yours? Just let me know in the comment section. Do you say questions or questions? Please don't forget to also subscribe, like the video, and share, okay? I'll catch you later. I need to take her to school now. After dropping pretty Alisha in school, I'm making this simple angwamo recipe. I'm frying a medium-sized onion, then we proceed. This is also what I did this morning. As soon as I got up, I washed and put my beans on fire. I actually soaked it overnight yesterday and cooked it this morning, okay? So over here, I'm frying my onion. Have you done this before? Have you ever blended your angwamo pepper sauce and a pepper dip? Or you always use the earthenware? So sometimes when I'm in a hurry, this is what I do. So don't add any water to this, okay? Ice crush mode. This is how our onions are looking now. I'm going to add my rice. I've added 10 cups using this one, okay? Let me show you so you don't get confused. It says 180 ml. Okay, so 10 cups. I'm going to toast it for about 3 to 5 minutes before I add water and my pink salt. This is how our pepper is looking now. I'm going to go ahead and season it with a teaspoon of salt, not too full, yeah, and give it one more blend just to mix the salt. It's been about 4 minutes now. I'm going to add water to it. Know the kind of rice you use, yeah. I know mine, so I don't even have to measure. I'll go ahead and season it with salt. That's it. That's about a tablespoonful. Give it a stir and cover to cook. Will you be trying this method or this way of grinding your pepper? So this is how it's looking. Let me show you with a spoon. Okay. Not too bad, right? The rice is almost done. I cook it to a not a bit, so nearly done. I'm going to be frying my eggs once pretty Alisha gets home. Cause yeah, so you should that chito hosa. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? And like the video. It's free of charge. What's it? And don't skip through my videos. Thank you very much. I bring a come on. And Alisha bet chili or one basa. And mona come on. Charlie. For plate never do there. So I'll show you when she gets home. So that's it. Me do jano. I bet. Pretty Alisha is back. So I'm frying some eggs. And then I'll serve for you to see, okay? So this is how we are going to enjoy our angwamo. Have you tried angwamo before? So it's literally braised rice. Add your cucumber to it, and this tastes amazing. So braised rice with some fresh cucumbers, fried eggs, and the versatile pepper dip from Ghana. Isn't this lovely? Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share to your friends and family. Thank you for your support. Enjoy the rest of the evening.